Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Alyssa, and in this week's video I was just finishing up a lot of projects that I had laying around, and the first thing that I finished and is 100% completely done is my cousin's 6-day star blanket. I will insert some clips right now of me finishing it, and then I will insert a clip of it completed and on the bed. It's right behind me. It looks amazing. It was so much fun to make, but I will insert those clips right now. some other things that I finished this week, I actually didn't really film or even talk about, but it's kind of been a project for myself that has been ongoing, but I wanted to show you the finished product. So I am trying to use up some fabric and yarn that I don't really know what to do with, but I want to use for something. And I've been wanting to make like reusable wrapping paper, which basically just means like pouches and bags that you can reuse every Christmas and birthday, instead of buying wrapping paper. So I've been doing that with fabric. I haven't made any with fabric, but I have fabric ready to make some with that. And then I have made some crochet ones, but I started out with some crochet ones. But here's a big Christmas bag that I made, and it's got ribbon, and you just pull it and put the present inside and tie it up. I'm gonna make another one exactly like this, so there's one for my boyfriend and one for me, so we each have matching ones. And then I made a couple birthday ones, just generic colors so that you can use it for anyone's birthday, but I made two of the same size in this purple and blue color. So I made those. Other than that, I've been working on 2 custom orders that I have on my list. One is a sloth plant hanger, and I'm almost done with that. I'm just waiting for the glue to dry, and then I will finish crocheting the head, but I probably will do that tomorrow. I'll insert it into this video if I get it done, but other than that, I have one big custom order that I need to work on, starting it here soon, but it is a giant Bulbasaur for the last customer who ordered the Snorlax. They also ordered a Bulbasaur, so I'll be working on that next. And yeah, stay tuned for the rest of the video. It'll just be working on that and finishing up the sloth and anything else that I get into. But let's get started with this week's video. Hi there. So it is now the end of the week, and I have worked on a few things, but I've been a little bit slow towards the end of the week. But I did start my next big custom order, and it is a crochet Bulbasaur. I had a few clips that you've just seen of me making the legs, but I'm going to be working on that over the weekend, so I will film more of that. And I did finish another project that I had started. I didn't film any of it because I was just crocheting along and getting it done, but this is for myself, and it's with this beautiful, beautiful rainbow yarn. and I bought this yarn with some of my birthday money because it was really beautiful, and so I decided to make this little like play blanket. It's going to be for my future kids. I'm going to put it in my future kids box, and it's like a blanket you could use for like baby dolls or stuffed animals, like stuff like that. Like that's what I'm going to use it for. But other than that, I don't really have any other updates. I've just been working on little projects here and there. I haven't really finished anything the last few days, but next week I'll be continuing the Bulbasaur, and I will be finishing other various custom orders that I have coming up. But I hope you guys have a wonderful weekend, and I will see you guys next week. Bye, guys.